This is a used 2007 Buick Lucerne. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 20,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include internet connectivity, electric trunk, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.